door? You cannot do that.
What's that?
Why you open my door? You cannot do that.
I can.
There's no reason.
I just told you the reason. You weren't
Because
compliant.
my tint?
You weren't compliant. Yes, you weren't compliant, and you were refusing to roll down your back window so that I could approach you
I can refuse
safely.
about that.
So that I could approach you safely.
Because my safe. I can,
Yes.
I can refuse about that.
No, you cannot.
I can.
You
I know
cannot.
my rights.
You cannot. You roll down your back window for me?
Say that again?
Roll down your back window for me?
What?
Because I said so. Roll it down.
I don't.
Roll. Yes, you do for officer safety.
I know my rights.
Okay, you're about to get yanked out of this car in about 2 seconds.
I'm doing it like right now.
Okay, I told you to roll it down so I can see because the window tint is too dark, and I need to make sure there's nobody else back there.
Okay, no
I
problem.
need your license, registration, and insurance, please. I stopped you past a stop bar at every stop sign, two
I don't
different
do
stop
that.
signs. Your window tint is too dark, and your tag is expired. So there's 3 different reasons why I'm pulling you over today.
Okay, the stop signs I don't pass that. I stop.
You passed past a stop bar.
Never.
You did. There's a white line at the stop sign. You pass past the stop bar.
I mean, I was behind the car, so how I do that?
No, you weren't. You passed past the stop bar on 2 different stop signs.
I didn't do that.
On July 22, 2023, Corporal Hetsler of the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office conducted a traffic stop in Florida that escalated from 4 citations to a reckless driving arrest, touching 3 distinct areas of constitutional law. The stop rested on 3 independent probable cause bases: stop bar violations, an expired tag, and window tint measured at 11%. Florida Statute Section 316.2953 requires a minimum of 15% light transmittance on rear windows. Under Wren v. United States, any one of these bases is sufficient to render the stop constitutionally valid.
Okay.
Why you open my door? You cannot do that.
What's that?
Why you open my door? You cannot do
I
that.
can.
There's no reason.
I just told you the reason. You weren't
Because
compliant.
my tint?
You weren't compliant. Yes, you weren't compliant, and you were refusing to roll down your back window so that I could approach you
I can refuse
safely.
about that.
So that I could approach you safely.
Because my safe. I can.
Yes.
I can refuse about that.
No, you cannot.
I can. I
You
know
cannot.
my rights.
You cannot.
Okay. Let's go. Let's see.
Okay, we will see.
¿Está escuchando, verdad?
And everything is on camera, just so you know you are being recorded.
No,
License,
yo sé que me va a dar el
please.
ticket.
License.
Okay, man, I'm
License.
looking for the
Ma'am,
insurance.
I said your license first.
And insurance.
License first. Corporal Hetsler, St. Johns County Sheriff's Office.
Your name.
Corporal Hetsler, St. Johns County Sheriff's Office.
License first.
41, personnel.
Can I look for the insurance now?
The 654 1027, my number. Also, if you have one unit code 1, please.
Okay, I need to get it in my phone because I don't have enough paper. I don't see it.
10-4.
No, si el cabrón está bruto, paraba aquí al lado
You have the
de la puerta.
registration?
No.
You don't have the registration? Why not?
I don't have it here.
Okay. Is there any
Maybe
weapons
my
in the car?
house and a different wallet.
Okay. Do you have any weapons inside the vehicle?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Hang tight just a second. Roll your window right about here. Alright, stop. Window tint's at 11% in the state of Florida. Has to be 25 or higher, okay? Alright, man. Here's your insurance and your driver's license, okay? Today I went ahead and issued you 4 different citations, okay? First citation is going to be for running the stop sign. You didn't.
I didn't do that.
You stopped past the stop bar. The stop bar. Okay, so you can fight that in court. All the instructions are right here on the back. You have 30 days to pay the fine. That's your first citation. Don't. Next citation is for a failure to provide your registration. Okay.
So you say you can open my door just like that and keep going?
Correct. You were non-compliant. You weren't listening to commands. Your window's too dark for me to see in the back, and for me to safely approach this vehicle, I needed to make sure there wasn't anybody else in the back of the vehicle. There's your second citation.
You can just ask me.
I did ask you.
You don't ask me if I got more people in my car.
It doesn't matter. I need to be able to see with my own eyes. Next citation is Your registration's expired, okay? You have 30 days to pay that. Same thing as the other 2 citations. And your window tint, 11% in the state of Florida.
The first legal issue, the officer opened the vehicle door while the subject was still rolling down the rear window. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977, authorizes ordering a driver out of the vehicle as a routine safety measure during any lawful stop. It does not explicitly authorize door opening before non-compliance is complete. Courts applying the Fourth Amendment would ask whether refusal was total or whether compliance was still in progress. That ambiguity was avoidable. On the underlying question, can a driver lawfully refuse to lower a rear window during a traffic stop? No. When window tint renders a vehicle interior effectively opaque, requiring visibility is a legitimate officer safety measure, not a Fourth Amendment violation. The right to privacy inside a vehicle does not extend to concealing the vehicle's interior from an officer conducting a lawful investigation.
Or like I told you, it has to be 25.
Well, she ran it?
She ran it.
Ran a stop sign
I
again.
issued that vehicle or citations, and then she took off recklessly. I'm trying to catch back up to the vehicle, pull her over again. Turn your vehicle off. What? Turn your vehicle off. You're driving recklessly, now it's criminal. Turn it out.
I drive.
I'm gonna break your window. You got 3 seconds or I'm gonna break your window. Roll down your window. Roll down your window now. Roll down your window now. Get out of the vehicle.
Don't touch me.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Get out of the vehicle.
Don't do that.
Get out of the vehicle.
You don't have to do this.
Turn around. Alright, take your
I got this.
search, make sure
Yeah.
she's not searching, pat her down.
Space this way for me. You got any weapons on you, anything? Any guns, knives?
You cannot search my car. Hey, you cannot search my car.
Huh?
You cannot search my car.
I'll come and do an inventory on it.
Is she going?
Yeah, she's going
Okay.
for reckless driving and resisting without violence.
You got a...
41 Porcino, stamp me off in number, I'll get it from the screen. Just put her in Dave, David can take her.
Okay.
Hey, you could just 10-5 her there and I'll send my 707 to the jail. I'll do the inventory.
Can I make a call? Go get your phone.
First, make sure there's like no drugs or anything else.
What side do you want her on?
This front side right here.
What side?
Well, there's traffic. Unless you still got to pat her down, right? Yeah, let's.
Other side?
Yeah, the other side is fine.
Right here. Just face the car for me.
Can I make a call?
Not right now.
Before.
When you get to the jail, you can.
But I need it right now because my kids.
I guess you should have thought about that before, you started driving recklessly.
But it's okay. I just drive on the limit. I don't drive over the limit. I drive on the limit, under the limit.
You got anything in your bra?
No. Just make it clear to make sure my kids and my brother know that I'm leaving to jail, and that's it. That's all I ask. It's only for my kids.
Okay.
So let me tell them that I'm going to jail so they know that I'm not coming back. Can I do that?
Spread your legs for me.
Say what?
Spread your legs for me.
Like this?
Yep.
Just let me make a call.
Okay. Have a seat in the vehicle.
Hey, listen. I'm gonna let you call the RO of this vehicle and see if they want to come get it. That way it don't get towed.
The owner?
Or yeah, the registered owner. Who is
You
that?
have to be the owner.
Yeah. It's got to be, we have to release it to the registered owner.
I can call my brother, but the owner is mine. That car is mine.
Yeah, but it's in somebody else's name.
Yeah, but he's in jail. He's my husband.
He's in jail?
Yeah. But why they searching my car too? I say I don't want it. They search.
Well, incident to arrest. Incident to arrest. It can be
Yeah,
inventory.
but they arrest because they stop me because tint and all that. It doesn't mean
Okay,
they can
so,
search.
well, incident to arrest, when we're doing an inventory, we have to inventory because it can get towed. So that's why we're giving you the option to...
But can I call them my brother? He can figure out because the insurance is by his name too. The insurance is my name and my brother's name.
I can see. I normally we have to release it to the RO, the registered owner of the vehicle.
So
If we can't get in contact with the registered owner of the vehicle, we have to tow it. Okay. But you're saying he's in jail?
Yeah, he's in jail and I mean the insurance.
Where is that at?
Right here.
He's in St. Johns County jail?
Yeah.
All right, stand by.
That says incorrect.
He's in jail. She's saying the registered RO is in jail, but it's best if you do it that way anyway because incident to arrest is better for the search.
Yeah. I'm gonna tow it. So I'm doing the tow sheet right now. You could just 10-5 her over there to the jail, and then I'll just tell the jail that.
The second vehicle changed the legal analysis entirely. Florida Statute Section 316.192 defines reckless driving as willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property. Running a stop sign and accelerating away from law enforcement satisfies that standard on its face. Fleeing a traffic stop does not nullify the original violation, it converts it into a criminal matter. On the vehicle search, the subject correctly understood she had not consented. That understanding, however, is legally irrelevant to an inventory search. Under Colorado v. Bertine, 1987, when a vehicle is subject to lawful impoundment, officers may conduct a standardized inventory without consent and without a warrant. The right to refuse a consent search does not defeat a lawful inventory search. These are legally distinct doctrines. The tow decision anchors the inventory's legality. The registered owner was incarcerated. Release to the registered owner was impossible. Under Florida law, when no authorized person is available to take custody, impoundment is mandatory. The inventory follows the tow as a matter of law, not officer discretion. Corporal Hetsler receives a B-. The stop's probable cause was documented and airtight. The tint meter reading eliminated subjectivity from the tint violation. Each citation was lawfully issued and clearly explained. The deduction stems from the door opening timing, not from illegality, but from preventable constitutional exposure. 3 additional seconds would have produced the same outcome with zero legal ambiguity. The first vehicle's driver receives a C+. The roadside is not the forum for contesting a traffic citation, the courtroom is. His dispute of the stop bar violation was factually incorrect, and his confrontational tone created friction without legal benefit. Compliance was ultimately maintained with no physical resistance. The arrested subject receives a C-. 6 months probation, 25 hours of community service, a driver improvement course, and a court-ordered letter of apology. All of it flowed from one decision: driving away. The original citations were contestable in court. After fleeing, they became the least of her legal problems. 3 legal lessons from this encounter. First, window tint does not shield a vehicle interior from a lawful officer. Opacity during a valid stop is not a Fourth Amendment protection. Second, withholding consent has no effect once impoundment is lawfully determined. Inventory searches operate independently of consent doctrine. Third, no constitutional right is preserved by flight from a traffic stop. Every remedy available before the decision to flee remains available afterward, at significantly greater personal cost. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.